In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a glowing effect on your clip or graphic. To get started, you'll first need to place the layer you want to add the glow effect to onto your timeline. This is your foundation and where the magic begins. Now, in order to create that beautiful glow effect, you'll need to create a duplicate of this layer. You can easily do this by holding down the Alt or Option key and then dragging your layer upwards. By doing so, you'll end up with two layers, one stacked neatly on top of the other. The key to achieving the glow effect lies in manipulating these two layers. The bottom duplicate will be out of focus, providing us our glow, while the top layer will stay sharp and clear. To blur the bottom layer, head over to the Effects panel and navigate through Video Effects to find Blur and Sharpen. Here, you'll see Gaussian Blur, which is what we'll use for that soft glow. Apply it to the duplicated bottom layer. Now, in the Effect Controls panel, start increasing the blur amount. Keep adjusting this until you notice a nice, visible glow or soft edge that complements your original footage. At this point, we aim to blend the glow artfully with the original image. So, on the blurred bottom layer, venture into Effect Controls or the Timeline panel and adjust the blend mode under Opacity. Options like Screen, Add, or Lighten work splendidly to let this glowing layer illuminate the original. Feel free to tweak the opacity if you find the glow too intense. Sometimes a softer touch yields a more elegant result. Now, if you're in the mood to experiment further, consider enhancing or even colorizing the glow. This is entirely optional, but it can add that extra flair. If you decide to change the glow's color, you might want to use the tint effect found under Effects, Color Correction. Applying this to the bottom layer allows you to map whites to any color you prefer. To get even more technical, especially for photography or detailed footage, using Luma Key or Lumetri Color can help you isolate and blur only the brightest areas, thereby controlling the glow's spread. Finally, refining and possibly animating your glow brings everything together. Play back your composition and adjust the blur amount, opacity, or blend mode to perfect the look. If you wish to have the glow pulse or shift over time, setting keyframes for attributes like opacity, the blur radius, or even the color can achieve this dynamic effect. And should you prefer that only particular parts of the image glow, you can use masking techniques to select and isolate these areas effectively. By melding these practical steps, your project will take on a new dimension with this glowing effect. Enjoy the process and let your creativity shine through.